I've been just like sitting there for like hours on end, bruh. Yeah, I know. It's like so weird. I think we should like hurry up.
Okay, the next step on this art tutorial is color.
Dude, this is a colorless world. There is no color.
Clearly, you know nothing about art.
So hungry.
Wait, but you're a gumdrop. Can't you just like eat yourself?
Just stop talking. Okay.
Yeah, I've never seen an object like this before.
There's just an issue. It keeps coming closer, and it is a direct course for Earth. We will all die.
It is time.
Well, I'll be damned. That is one hell of an asteroid.
All 20 objects on Earth, or I don't know, but everyone, we are about to die. Say your last words now, before this asteroid destroys us all.
Okay, here we go. Man, that was an old intro.